We're now doing the Picot bind off, which creates this beautiful edge that you see on this shawl here. It's really simple. So cast on 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then bind off 4. 1. So obviously we've got to knit those first 2 to get our first bind off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're left with 1 stitch on our right needle, so we're going to slip that back over to our left needle and start that process again. Cast on 2, 1, 2, and cast off or bind off 4. So knit the first 2 to get our first bind off stitch, because of course we do that by passing the back stitch over the front. So that's a bind off. 1, 2, 3, 4, slip that stitch back to our left needle and start again. Cast on 2, 1, 2, bind off 4, 1, so knit the first 2, 1 bind off, second bind off, third bind off, fourth bind off, slip that stitch back to our left needle and start again. So you can see there it's creating the Picot bind off.